happy Thanksgiving. You know, for most of us, this is a day for eating a lot. But the weather is so nice that it's also a pretty good day for taking a ride on a bike. Beautiful countryside, as you can see. Blue sky, a little nippy, but that's alright. So before we tuck into that turkey with family members and all, time for a little exercise. Not much traffic, as you can see. A little bit, but not much. Fairly windy. So chances are you can't hear anything. I'm going to cover up the microphone just for a bit. Thanksgiving ride, a little segment of it. The weather's supposed to turn wintry in a few days, so we have to take our chances, take our riding chances whenever we can. Once again, happy Thanksgiving to you, and I'll see you again here on HS Today. I'm Masa Harry. See you later.